Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Cricut mug press. From what you can see, I bought a couple of things. We have the 12-ounce cup. This is just the plain ones. And then I have brought these ones, the 15-ounce ceramic mugs. And they have black handles and a black inside. I thought that was super cute, so that's why I brought two of these ones. Also, I have bought the Infusible ink. And I'm so curious to see what this looks like in the inside. So I'm going to open this up too during the unboxing. And of course, we have the mug press. Also, I've been purchased this heat resistant tape, so I see a lot of people using this in their videos, so I just was like, let me pull this out. But let's get started with opening up this heat press. All right guys, so first we're going to open up these regular mugs. They look like regular mugs. These are the 12-ounce ones. I got a thing with bubble wrap, but yeah, these are just like regular sublimation mugs. They just got the little Cricut thing on the back. But nothing special about these. Regular mugs. Okay, so I can't put it back. We're just gonna move this to the side. Alright, so these ones are the ones with the black inside. Let's open these ones up. Let me get something to cut this open with. And this one comes in a box inside a box. More bubble wrap. That's always a plus. And this one is kind of just like the other one too, it looks like. Other than the black handles, like I said. Oh, this looks gray. Did I get the wrong thing? Oh yeah, I got the wrong thing. I thought it was black, but it's gray, like it says. This is the 15-ounce one. So let me just compare them in size. Not that much bigger, but bigger. Got the little stamp on the bottom. They're regular sublimation ceramic mugs. And this was the heat resistant tape. I had bought this from Michael's. It was in a package before, but this one is open. This is mine. And what I've been waiting for, the Infusible ink. I'm so curious to see what this looks like. Okay. Oh, it looks like dry vinyl. Little sheets of dry vinyl with just a shiny backing on the back. So it comes with two. If you get the little box like this one, little sheets of vinyl. And this is the sublimation, well, not the sublimation ink, the Infusible ink. This is another one of the mugs, same color, white gray. I'm not going to waste any time opening it because we've seen it already, and it's the 15-ounce one as well. Now what we've been waiting for, the mug press. Let's open it. Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll, please. I'm excited. All right, let me put this up before I cut myself. And oh, okay. So it says open me. I'm guessing this is just some Cricut instructions like usual. Whatever, we don't read instructions.
Okay.
This is the press. It's tiny. I don't know why I thought it was bigger, but this is the press. And it has some power cords. Just two power cords and some instructions. And put this to the side. And it's plastic wrap, so I need my little thing back. This is cool. It's super small. I really didn't think it would be this small, but the cups are small, so I don't know what I was expecting. And it only has one button. Okay. And this is the lever. A little flap. Oops. So I guess it just moves in and out for the size of the mugs. This is it. This is the Cricut heat mug press. So this is it. It's kind of smaller than what I thought. Like, this can go anywhere, just about anywhere. You can put this on the side of your desk. It's super tiny. I thought it would be way bigger than this, but I'm wrong. I wonder if I can use things other than mugs for it since it's so tiny. But it does says mug press, but whatever, we'll try it. And I also, I'm wondering kind of sort of about this ceramic heat plate down at the bottom. Or even if it's a ceramic heat plate. Like, is this the thing that's going to be warming up the press? Or will this be it? I don't know. We'll have to see. Hopefully I don't burn myself figuring it out. I'm going to put this cup in here. I hope I didn't break it. But hopefully this still works. So it's really tight in there. Like, I could barely move it. Hopefully it really comes out. Oh, yep. That's good. And the cup's not broke. So, ta-da. This looks really good. I can't wait to turn it on and see how this works out. It only has one button and then the little pieces for the cord in the back. This is the Cricut mug press. Thank you guys for making it this far in the video. I'll be making a video on my first time using the Cricut mug press if it works. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.